40 modified. I don't know.
Progress.
We got more progress coming up, y'all. He's sawing through these checkpoints. Uh-oh, I see him a little bind over there on the right wheel. He wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. A little bit more wiggle, okay. Ooh, he did that. Finish.
There it goes. One gate.
One gate.
One gate, one reverse. You're good.
Better. Better than it was, huh?
What, did he get a -9?
-9.
You doing something, man. You doing your thing out there. He doing his thing, Jeff. Well, I'm getting some calls.
Can't believe I put my tire in that giant hole in the first course. It totally ate me. Let's go see.
That other two had 64% on it.
And it was.
I think all the cones are good. Or a gate.
Alrighty, guys, coming up next, we have, what's your name, mister?
Twitch.
Alright, we got him. Okay, he trying to goose it on up there, y'all.
Look at that rear tire, yo.
Yeah. Oh, snaps. This course ain't no joke, real talk. Yeah, y'all think Gavin will get a perfect? Oh!
You see how wide the front axle is on this truck and then how narrow the rear is. Some guys feel that if they set the car up kind of like at this time of an angle, that it makes it easier for the rear to get through the gates. So that's one reason why some guys run a narrow axle in the rear. Because just like drag racing, everybody has their own opinion on what they think works and what doesn't. So that's why they race, to go find out what's better, what works. Or at least it's working that day.
There it is. Perfect tire's doing the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, well, every now and then, so like,
Every time I do that.
the way it was, the tire that was down in there, that was amazing.
Got it.
Yeah, you look up
Should be good on time. What's the time?
2 minutes and about 50 seconds.
Yeah, you got the minute.
how I did that.
Okay, reverse that fall. Oh, he did that. Okay, good recover. Cost him about 10 seconds, but hey, rather 10 seconds than some negative points. Oh, the battery getting low? Oh, no, it ain't. Oh, he twerked it on up out of there. Okay.
Sitting at 4 minutes.
Ooh, come on, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I'll reverse through the gate. Hit reverse probably sensitive. Ah. Ooh. Come on, man.
445.
And you got time.
Dang. They said they give you props, man. You fight. He said she fighting with you every step, but you managing it. What's good,
I
Dan?
don't know what I'm gonna do there. I don't know how Blake did it with the Lofi. That's what I'm talking about.
I ain't putting no.
Blake did it like nothing.
Okay, we got OG. OG Rusty. Triple OG.
Ready?
We ready? After this, I'm gonna have to go get me another charger, y'all. A USB. Let me see where. Gavin, I need a USB-C charger. You got an extra one?
USB-C, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Rusty got that torque. You see how he just be doing that? Golly, look how he doing that.